Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
A US attack on Iranian nuclear sites could lead to a knee-jerk reaction in global markets when they reopen, sending oil prices higher and triggering a rush to safety, investors said, as they assessed how the latest escalation of tensions would ripple through the global economy. The US dollar rose to a 3-week high against the safe haven yen and gained ground on the Swiss franc on Friday, amid signs tension in the Middle East is easing after Iran backed continued discussions with Europe on its conflict with Israel. The fundamentals of the US economy are moving to where an interest rate cut may be necessary, San Francisco Federal Reserve Bank President Mary Daly said, though she signalled a July rate cut would probably be too early.
The dollar-yen pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices edged higher in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.